Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how long turkey eggs take to hatch. First, understand that turkey eggs generally require 28 days of incubation. You'll need to maintain a steady temperature of 99.5 degrees Fahrenheit. For the initial 24 days, keep the humidity at about 60%. These conditions are crucial for healthy embryo development and a successful hatch. Consistent turning is vital. Rotate your eggs at least 3 times every day to stop the embryo from sticking to the shell. As you approach the final 4 days, boost the humidity to 70%. This higher humidity helps soften the shell for hatching. Also, make sure there's good ventilation in your incubator for fresh air circulation. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Quick recommendation. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making life a little easier. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When hatching begins, resist the urge to help the poults unless it's truly essential. Let them emerge naturally. Once hatched, allow the little ones to dry fully within the incubator. This helps them strengthen. After they are completely dry, gently transfer your new poults to a warm brooder, ensuring they have access to fresh water and appropriate heat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.